Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about economic importance of family Ericaceae, which was earlier known as family Palmae and commonly we call it as palm family. As the name suggests, it contains a variety of palms. So let's begin with the economic importance of different kinds of palms. The first and the most important palm is Borassus flaberifer. Borassus alone has more than 801 uses. It is commonly known as Asian Palmyra palm, toddy palm or wine palm. It is used for making vegetables, jaggery, palm sugar, and the fibers are used for making hat, mat, baskets, making brushes, and the wood is also used as timber. So, this species Borassus flaberifer alone has many uses, and it is also an ornamental plant. Now there are some more ornamental palms which we see daily. The next palm is Eringa saccharifolia, which is commonly known as Gomuti palm. The next is Caryota urens, commonly called as fishtail palm. Next is Chamaerops humilis, European fan palm. The next palm is Livistona chinensis, commonly called as fountain palm or Chinese fan palm. The next is Phoenix rupicola, commonly called as date cliff palm. The another palm is Roestonia elata, Floridian royal palm. And the next very common and very familiar palm is Roestonia regia, known as royal palm or bottle palm. We all are familiar to this. The next is Sabal minor, known as bush palmetto, and Sabal umbraculifera, cabbage palm. These were some ornamental palms. The next palm is Cocos nucifera, which we all know. It is commonly known as coconut. It provides oil. The oil is used for cooking purposes as well as for applying on hair. The wood is also used as timber. The next very important and common is piper beetle, pan. We all are aware the pan leaves, they are eaten. The next is Metroxylon ramphai, a very useful and important sago palm or sabudana palm. Sabudana is obtained from pith of the stem. Again, a very interesting Nipa fruticans, commonly known as Nipa palm. The stem buds, young peduncle, immature seeds are eaten raw or cooked as vegetables. It also yields palm sugar. It is also helpful in making alcohol, vinegar, etc. The fiber of this plant is used for making hat, mat and baskets. The next is Phoenix dactylifera, date palm or khajur. We all love to eat khajur and we know it is very good for increasing our hemoglobin level. The ripe seeds are eaten. It is also used in making jaggery, palm sugar, vinegar, etc. The fibers are used for making hats, mats and baskets. The next is Phoenix sylvestris, the jungli khajur or wild date palm. Its fibers are also used for making hats, mats and baskets, and the seeds are eaten. The next very important is Raffia hookery. It yields very famous Bordone wine. Coming to the next palm is Calamus species. Calamus has many species and they yield cane of commerce. Cane जिनको हम हिंदी में बेत कहते हैं. And we see the chairs and furnitures of cane, baskets, walking sticks, etc. The next palm is Phytolepha's macrocarpa, and it is very interesting for the ladies. It is used in the beads of necklaces as a substitute of ivory. The next two species, Ceroxylon anticola and Coppernicia cerifera. They are commonly known as wax palm. They yield wax which is used in making candles, wood polishes, etc. And the last, very important, is Daemonoropes rubra. The exudate from the fruits is called dragon's blood. It is used in coloring marbles, varnishes, etc. So, we have seen different varieties of palms. We see them around, but we are not familiar with their names. So now, I hope that this presentation will help you identify different palms in your surroundings. Thank you very much for watching this. Thank you.